So guys, welcome to this video on this channel. Here is a very big important update from SuperEX. As you all know that I do bring to you important update from SuperEX time to time. And here is another one that you cannot miss out. Exclusive feature trading reward on SuperEX. Trade feature from February 8th through February 17th and share from 20,000 UXTT. This is very possible, guys, and very simple. You need to deposit 100 USDT and earn 5 UXTT. The new feature users, if it's your first trading or first time, if you're able to deposit 10,000 UXTT, you're going to get 10 UXTT. Top traders, as a top trader on this platform, you're going to win as high as 500 UXDT, which is very simple. So to achieve this, guys, you have to have an account with SuperEX. And if you have not done that, guys, I will drop a link in the video description. Tap on that link and create your account on SuperEX. Now that I've created your account on SuperEX and it comes up like this, what you have to do is very simple, guys. The first thing is to come to tap this asset button. Once tap on the asset button, it comes up like this, then tap on deposit button. Once tap on deposit button, you have to add your UXDT to this platform, which is very simple. You can search from the search bar or you tap on UXDT, then the network that you can deposit your USDT comes up like the one you see on the screen. Then guys, let's and send your UXDT to this platform. Now that I've done that, the next thing is to come and trade on this platform. And trading on this platform is very simple, guys. So in that case, this video is for educational purpose. Just trade based on your ability. Now you need to come over to this place, tap on this trade button. Once tap on it, it comes up like this. Then you have to trade on futures trading. You have access to this, what you see on the screen. So we're going for future trading. Once tap on future trading, the interface comes up like this. This is how the interface of future trading looks like on SuperEX. This is similar to most of trading platform. So the first you have to do is to come back to this place where you see BTC USDT, tap on it. Now it comes up like this, guys. You have access to the trading pairs you can select on this platform. We have so many trading pairs on this platform. So for the sake of this video, guys, I'll make use of UXTT BTC, tap on it. Once tap on that, you have access to this. Then the next thing is to come over to this place, tap on this button. Once tap on that button, it comes up like this. Then you have access to this information. This will guide you to know what has been happening in the market over the couple of time. You can select up to 24 hours. You can select up to 1 week on this platform to have access to what the market is all about over the couple of time. Now that I've done that, the next thing you have to do, guys, is to come over and tap on this isolated button. So once tap on the isolated button, it comes up like this. Here we have different trading margins. We have the cross margin and we have the isolated margin. Guys, what is cross margin? Cross margin simply means you trade from amount you have on your account. For example, you have 1,000 USDT on your account and you set aside 200 USDT to trade on this platform, and the market goes against your prediction. The system will start taking from the remaining money in your account, which is very risky. So I don't encourage you guys to do that. Rather, I encourage you to trade on isolated. What is isolated? If you set a 200 USDT to trade on this platform, that is what the system will trade for you. If eventually the trading or the prediction goes against your, if the market go against your prediction, then we'll be able to have your money right away, the remaining money right away in your account. So I will always go for this isolated. Then the next one is to tap on this 5x. Once tap on the 5x, it comes up here. This is what we call leverages. The higher the leverages, the better your earning. But guys, the risky it becomes. So I will always encourage you to trade between 3 and 5x. That is between 3 and 5 leverages. So I will always confirm that 5 leverages. Now that we've done that, we know your peers, you've selected your leverages and you've selected the margin, which is isolated. The next thing is to come over to the market and tap on this market. Once tap on the market, what this market does is this. Here we have two major important things to explain in this particular part of the trading system: the market order or the limit order. Now let me quickly talk about the market order. The market order means that you're going to buy at the current price of this token. Now the current price of this token is what you see here, guys, which is 97,788.8 UXDT. That is the current price of BTC. Now, the amount you want to trade, you enter the amount into this place. Then you can as well drag it here and enter it. If you enter it into this button, then you tap on buy long or buy short, which I will also explain in this video. Now, but guys, the best method I use is this we call the limit order. What is limit order? Limit order gives you chance or ability to select or to enter the market at your own convenient price. For example, the price of BTC is 97,815 as at when I record this video, and you see that, or you foresee that the price of BTC will come down to around 96,000, 95,000. Then you enter that price in the price section here. The amount you want to enter the market, you enter the price into this place. Then you set the amount you want to invest into this place. When the price is at that particular price, then the system will trigger your action without any problem. That is how to do that. Then the next thing I want to talk on this platform is open long and open short. Now, what is open long? Open long means that you predict that the price of any token against USDT is going to rise. For example, BTC against USDT, you think that in a couple of moments that the price of BTC will keep moving from 97 to 98 to 99 to 100,000 USDT. Then you trade on open long. You predict that the price of BTC will keep increasing. But if you predict that the price of BTC will keep coming down, then you trade on open short. Tells you that the price of BTC will keep coming down as the time goes on. So that is the simple process, guys, on how to start trading on this platform and earn money for yourself just by trading on SuperEX. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Tap the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important update on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.